How to change Chrome avatar with custom picture. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to change your own Chrome avatar using your Google Chrome. What you need to do is open the browser and click on your profile icon and then click on the three dots menu and go to settings. From settings, what you can do is you can go under appearance, that's shown on the left side panel of the screen, or you can go under you and Google and go to your customized profile, and there you can pick your avatar. There's a lot of options for you to choose from, whether a basketball, is it a thing, a food, an animal that you like, a lot of options that you can choose from. So for here, what I'll be choosing is this corgi, and as you can see, it is now changed. So my Chrome avatar has now been changed into the image that I've been chosen. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.